God bless you everyone, and welcome back to an awesome video. Today we're going to install the GTX2871R on the B14. Nothing to do it right now. Take care, bro. Today is an exciting day. I'm gonna put on my new turbo. Here I have the new turbo, and I have here all the equipment that I'm going to need. I have the line kit, and I have the studs for the exhaust side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing everything. As you guys know, obviously, the exhaust manifold have to come out. We're gonna have to remove the downpipe, which is there as well. Remove the O2 sensor. Behind the manifold, we have the line for the oil and the line for the coolant, and all those have to come out, and we're gonna do that right now. Boom! So successfully we got our turbo out. I have the oil assembly over here, and this one is a turbo I made from a Skyline R32. It's a T28. Same as the new one, but this one, the AR, are a lot smaller, and this one is a general bearing. Meanwhile, the new turbo, even though it looks about the same size, you guys can see how this one is. This one is a lot smaller. This one is 0.48. This one is a 0.60. And the hot side, which is the turbine housing, this one is a 0.42 or 0.48. I not remember, but this one is a 0.86. You guys can see how bigger and fatter looks. It's still the same size as a T20. I actually have to clock this turbo to make it fit, but we're gonna do that in a second, so let's go. Successfully, I got my turbo apart, and somehow I have only one nut holding the whole turbo. When I was taking it out from the manifold, somehow it had only one nut, so maybe that's why I had a huge leak. Anyways, I was able to remove the oil return, which I have it right there. Also, I went ahead and wire brushed this surface over here, and also went ahead and wire brushed this one as well. Just want to show you real quick. So here is a side-by-side comparison between the old one versus the new one. You guys can see there the 11 blade compressor wheel. Meanwhile, here we have the 6 blade wheel. Somehow those wheels look slightly damaged, so I'm gonna have to take a look into that. But I mean, it's basically the same thing. Obviously the new one is a little bigger. It has a bigger AR on both sides, and I mean, as now it's a bolt-on application. I was taking a look, and all this will fit properly. The only difference so far is that this one has a bigger inlet than this one. So if I try to put this one here, you guys can see there how bigger it is. So I need to work out a new inlet for the new turbo and rotate it and mount it. So let's go. So I find out that I had to modify my return to make it fit, and you guys saw that already. Here is how everything came up, and just to show you real quick, you guys can see there how it looks. That one there too. And here's another sample of how much I have to actually drill it to make sure it fits. So let's get this on. Successfully, I got the turbo assembled. Everything is all set, everything's aligned, everything is good to go. I also throw a turbo blanket just to control the heat underneath of the hood. So yeah, I mean, I have to modify, more like redo the whole wastegate because I was having current issues. So I have to use the bracket from the old one, and I have to cut the old one and weld it to the new one to extend it, and basically that's what I have. So I just put the hoses as well, so everything is there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and mount on the car. Let's go. So I got the turbo on and everything is hooked up right now. All the lines are ready. I put my turbo blanket as you guys saw, and everything is good to go. What I'm gonna do, even though I don't have all my piping and a couple things missing, I want to start the car and make sure it's no leaks, because if it is, I have like quick access the way it is right now. So I'm just gonna do that right now. So I know it's gonna misfire because I mean it doesn't have the MAF connected and you know a couple vacuum leaks, but I just want to make sure that it doesn't have any leaks. So let's go. Let's try it one more time. So far it looks so good. It looks good. Successfully, I start up the car and no leaks. That's a huge one because I'm exhausted. I want to go home already. So what I'm gonna do, let's get this thing together.
Much later.
Just like that, the car is on the floor. The turbo is officially mounted. I have the turbo blanket as well. You guys can see it right there. I'm gonna go ahead now and start up the car for you. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The B14 is alive. It has the brand new turbo, the GTX2871R that I got for Twisted Motion. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you the next time. God bless you all. Have a nice day.